Hello students, how are you all today? I hope you are doing fine by God's grace. I am very happy to see you again in this online class teaching. This is mathematics subject. I welcome each one of you to our online class teaching subject mathematics, and we are dealing with chapter 1, right? 5th ICSE B1 and B2 students. I am so happy to be your maths teacher, as I have introduced myself as a maths teacher, and my name is Angel. Okay, I am not going to teach you so longer and bore you, but I am going to quickly teach you the very important things in the topic large numbers. Okay, fine. If you don't have your books, no problem. I have sent you the first lesson picture to the WhatsApp group, right? You can go through and do your sums. This is mathematics subject. We are in chapter 1 and this is session 1. Let us continue our lesson. We have discussed about warm-up sums, right? To warm up our mind. Now we are going to continue the lesson. Now the lesson title, as I said, large numbers, right? In that, the first thing that is given in the book, 7-digit numbers. We are going to read 7-digit numbers. Okay. Now take your textbook to page number 3. Page number 3. It says, I will read for you. We have planted trees in our state. Okay. You know how many trees? 9,99,999 trees already planted. Okay. 9,99,999 trees have already there. Now, this is just a picture. Just imagine we have planted trees. With that, we are going to add one more tree today. I am going to plant one more tree today. Okay. We have already planted. I will write it here. Listen very carefully. We have already planted right? 9,99,999. Okay? Is it visible? Is it visible for everybody? Is it visible now? Okay. We have planted 9,99,999 trees already planted. Okay. Today I am going to plant one more tree. One more tree I have already now planted. So we have to add this one with already planted trees. If you add, what will come? 1 plus 9, how much? 10. Then again 0 is here, 1 is carried. 1 plus 10, 1 plus 9, 10. 1 is carried. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 is carried. Likewise, if you count, how many will come? If you add 1 with this, it will be 10, it will be by adding this one we will get 10 lakhs. Okay, we have planted one tree today, so altogether how many trees? 10 lakhs. Okay, now by adding we got 10 lakhs. Okay, fine. Why I am saying this? This is 6-digit number, right? And this is by adding one more tree, this became 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakhs. This is 7-digit number example we have seen. Fine. Now let's go to page number 4. Page number 4. In 7-digit number, how we have to write Indian place value system. Indian place value system. Okay. The number is given. We are going to place the number in the Indian place value system. As I said, Indian place value system. Listen very carefully. This is periods column. This column is called as periods. The next column is called as places. This column is known as places. Okay, and then this is the place where we write the numbers. Okay, fine. This is Indian place value chart. See, we have in periods column lakhs, thousand and ones. We will read from here. Ones, thousands and lakhs. Say it clearly. Ones, thousands and lakhs. This ones column divided into 3 columns again. Ones column divided into 3 parts. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. This thousand column we have thousands and 10,000. In lakhs we have lakh and 10 lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now we are going to write 10 lakhs in the Indian place value system. So we have to write from our right side, we have to start writing. In ones column 0, tens 0, hundreds 0, thousands 0, 10,000 0, lakh 0. In 10 lakh column 1. So when this is the way we place the number in the number value, place value columns. When we read it, the first instruction is to put commas. Put commas. Okay. For example, how to read 10 lakhs? See, 3 zeros. For example, 1 0, comma, another 2 0, comma, and 3 0. Right? This is the way we have to place commas. Then write the number in the word. Write the number in the word. 10 lakhs. What it is? 10 lakhs. Again I repeat, this is period column. This is places column. Periods we have ones, thousand, lakhs. In ones we have ones, tens, hundreds. In thousand columns we have thousands and 10,000. In lakhs we have lakh and 10 lakhs. Understand? Okay, fine. Now let us move to another example by using place value chart. As we told you, ones, thousand and lakhs. The number is given. Now we will place it. Okay. 6 under ones, 1 under tens, 5 under 100. Okay, and then 1000 0, 10,000 9, 2 under lakh, and then 4 under 10 lakhs. Now how we have to read this number? First we have to put the comma. 42 comma 90 90 means 90 comma 516. Okay, now how we have to read it? In the word we have to read as 42 lakhs 90,516. When we say 100 and, okay, when we write, we will write as it is given in the book 516. Again 42 lakh 90,516. Understand the place value system? Okay, now we are moving again next one, right? This is the column is given as I explained in the previous one, but we are going to change the number in this. We are going to change the number in this. This is 8-digit number. The 8-digit number we are going to place it already placed in the number value chart. Okay, now let us read. Under ones 0, tens 0, 100 0, 1000 0, 10,000 0, lakhs 0, 10 lakhs 0, under crores 1. Okay, now first as I said 8-digit number, right? For that we have taken this number. Now we have to put comma. In order to read the number, we have to put comma first. 1 comma, okay, then 20 comma, 20 comma, then 30. This is called 1 crore. For 1 crore, how many zeros will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros will come for 1 crore. For easy memorizing, keep it like this. Okay, and then so this is 1 crore we have placed in the place value system. This is for 8-digit number example. Okay, now when we read it, we read as 1 crore. Very important to place columns so that it will be easy for us to read. Now you know how to place the number according to the value, place value. Now another example, as I told you, this is period column, this is place column, and we have 10 ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. In ones we have ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands we have thousands and 10,000. In lakhs we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores we have crores and 10 crores. Now we will place the number. Now I have placed the numbers. This is an example for 9-digit number. We have completed 8-digit number. This is 9-digit number. Okay, under ones 0, under tens 0, under hundreds 0, under 1000 0, under 10,000 0, under lakhs 0, under 10 lakhs 0, under crores 0, under 10 crores 1. Okay, now what is this? This is called 9-digit. This is 10 crores. This is 10 crores in 9-digit number, as we have written. For 10 crores, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros are there. With this 1, it is 9 number. So we have to keep in mind for 10 crores, how many zeros will come? 8. Okay. So when we write with comma, see how we have to write 10 comma 20 comma again 20 comma then 3 zeros. So when we read, this is 10 crores. Okay, ones, thousands, hundreds, then this is 10,000, 10,000, and then lakhs, 10 lakhs, and then 10 crores. So it is easy, 10 crores as we have read. Let us revise the lesson. We have learned about Indian place value system. In that 7-digit number example we read, we placed 10 lakhs according to its place value. Okay, and then another number example I gave you how to place it. We will read it again. What is this number in word? How to read? 42 lakhs 90,000 and then 516. Okay, and then next we started about 8-digit number. For 8-digit number we took 1 crore and we placed the numbers according to its place value, under ones, under thousands, under lakhs and crores. So 1 crore, and we have learned how to put commas. And then another example for 9-digit number, we took which number? 10 crores, and we have placed in the place value chart according to its value, and then we have made commas to read it better. Okay, so at last we are finishing with 9-digit number 10 crores. Okay, this is very clear for you, I hope so.